Next, I would like to invite for industrial presentation on the topic AI in Education, Mr. Anand Agrawal, Business Manager, Education, Acer, India.
Thanks for giving me this opportunity to be here. Thanks for this opportunity by the exhibitor for me to be here. And I'm happy and nervous both. Why I'm happy? I've been talking to teachers like you who have been shaping people like me who can stand here in times to come. And nervous because again, I used to be a backbencher, always get a scolding, so I may go wrong in a lot of things, but I was always supported and that's how we have been there. I represent an organization called Acer here. We are a proud Taiwanese manufacturer of devices. Globally, we are close to about 4.5 decades old, and we are there in India, close to about as Acer India for 22 years. And this journey, which we have been going on, where our educators have been a very critical and important role to play in this journey. With all support, we have been bringing in a lot of innovative products, services for the education per se as a users. We knew when all of a sudden schools or the college educational institution were declared closed by one formal announcement, believe me, corporates were still had money to pump in because a lot of people were talking about historically from moving from work from home, which is today's buzzword. They were talking about any hot desking because the real estate is very expensive in cities like Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi. So they were all talking about mobility. But the segment which today I am talking to, we were always believed that education stays within the boundaries. Teachers used to carry the notebooks post-examination, but still there was the insistence from regulatory authorities, it should be checked within the campus. Education used to be delivered in a way, it stays with the teacher or the notes which has been going on. But on one side, thankfully, this pandemic changed everything. On the other side, see, lot of teachers, believe me, I would have interacted. I have participated precisely 117 webinar across the length and the breadth of the country in last about 18 months. We had very basic challenges. PC power on नहीं हो रहा है, audio नहीं चल रहा है, mic नहीं चल रहा है, camera नहीं हो रहा है, बच्चों ने camera बंद कर दिया. Everything was there. The cost of owning a device was a bigger challenge. Thankfully, we at Acer, and most important at Acer, one is the product team, second is our logistics team. We ensured, and our partners ensured, the product got delivered right up to the pin code, which was not a containment zone. We understood there is and then I'm sure we are, all of us are aware, there is an absolute scarcity on most of the devices, semiconductor not being there, but still this market has been growing. In my career, I have not seen them after Y2K, the growth is double digit. Or now there was a point where we were talking about triple digit growth. No industry has seen. Fortunately, this industry has seen double digit growth and the growth momentum is still continuing. And when this pandemic threw challenges open, we customized a lot of products which were there for education. There was if you look at a laptop is a laptop or a tablet is a tablet, whether I use, you use or a student use. But then you required the product positioning which is right fitment. We did that. We understood, we segregated our business into these categories: learn from home, work from home and education, and then we moved on further. That's how our stack, we rearranged our stack. We believed the stack can be a desktop, laptop, anything you can call, any technical jargon we can call, but user sees an interface which is 1 inch, typically handheld device or what we wear, to about 100 inch, what we see, a projector, or the previous speaker was talking about a large screen, where teacher has been able to project himself or herself. That's how the user interface has been seen. That's how we stacked our product and multiple things. I have seen a madam using a spin category of device where she can write, it's a laptop, it's a tablet, it's a slate. So that's, now I will not like to put my money in a tablet, in a laptop, a slate and a processing power. I would like to have something which fits in my bag. So we had some device called Spin on a mobility. Somebody is looking only a clamshell device so that kids does not go and fiddle around and many other things. See, we all have to accept and agree that those kids of today are much smarter than anyone else. I can tell you, my niece, she's just 4 years and she can operate 100% WhatsApp group. She can make the calls to anybody and everybody, and she knows, only thing she doesn't understand full name. So she sees I means this person, that person adds up and they do. I don't think that when I was at least even 15, 20 years, I was aware that all these things are possible. The bigger challenge is for people like you who are educating. You have to be a step ahead. So we enabled the technology, we created a product where they have a little less access. Here I will talk about that. See, that's how we created the product. See, we understand that anybody carries a very large, high weight school bag. Leave the school bag, educator's bag itself is a big challenge. So there was, prior to that, we were all talking about a very heavy, not very heavy, we reduced the weight by about 1.5 kg for multiple products. So that we have, only thing is, we are just allowing you to carry 1 more or 2 more books. Then to a traditional notebook, you will still be carrying a notebook. Now a notebook will be a 2.5, 3 kgs, an adapter will be 650 grams, and then some additional accessories. Uske andar you will put a mouse, somebody will put a small keyboard. So add up another 500 grams. So a typical notebook, even if it is 3 kgs, you have accessories of another 3 kgs. We could not reduce on accessories because those are individual choices. We have reduced the weights of the notebook. We have launched a product less than 1 kg. We have improved the battery backup so you can avoid carrying an adapter. When this segment is growing, so the carbon footprint is also growing. Why? When you bring anything to home, what first thing? It is wrapped in a plastic. It is wrapped in a weatherproof box carton, which means large use of plastic. We developed a packaging, reduction in carbon footprint, reduction in a plastic. We recycled most of the packaging, and we at Acer had taken a pledge, by 2025 we will be carbon neutral. So there will be no plastic, there will be no non-cycle packaging, so that We reduce. That's the only thing as a responsible citizens we can work something on those. That's how we have been doing. We are reducing even the plastic when we are talking about PCR, plastic on the notebooks. See, I don't know, now even people talk about ROHS today, or people don't talk about, there used to be lead content. Where you would have seen कि जब आप काम कर रहे हो तब खाओ नहीं, क्योंकि आप गंदे हाथों से खाते हो तो लेट जाता है. Our 100% product today are ROHS compliant, means we do not use any hazardous substance, we don't use lead. That's how what we did. Thankfully, we are number 1 in a commercial desktop category. See, we also created some monitors. See, we understand somebody has a tablet, somebody has an old notebook. और हम लोग तो हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हम तो जब तक उसको ये लॉन्गेटिविटी, हम तो इसकी बात करते हैं कि 3 साल, मेरा तो नोटबुक, मेरा टीवी 10 साल पुराना है, मेरा नोटबुक 10 साल से चल रहा है. बट दोज डिवाइसेस मे विल नॉट हैव audio video integration, so you require an interface. We launched a product which is built-in camera. Most important, most innovative, AI ready PC. AI ready PC, you are educators. आप लोगों ने सबने NEP 2020 सुना है, पढ़ा है, and everybody is today talking about. Government has a very strong focus and communication कि बच्चों को अभी से ही आप artificial intelligence सिखाइए. Why? See, हमारा economy जो as a India economy, which our large economy is growing because of our ability to innovate, our ability to code, to write a programming. आज की डेट में इफ यू सी लॉट ऑफ इंजीनियर्स एंड में सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी में ही होते हैं. सी वेदर somebody has done avionics, somebody has done computer science, you will find all those guys, where are they getting placed? Infosys, TCS, Microsoft, Google. End of the day what? They are all software coding, software writing organization. So what to do that? जब आप आज की डेट में हम बात करते हैं कि आपके स्कूल में या क्लास में अनऑथराइज्ड एक्सेस ना हो, आप कैसे करेंगे? सो दैट देयर आर मल्टीपल पिक्चर्स ऑफ इमेजेस ऑफ अ इंडिविजुअल हैज टू बी कैप्चर्ड, सो दैट किसी ने वो अपना बियर्ड बढ़ा लिया, किसी ने मुस्टाचेस रख लिया, किसी की आईब्रोज ब्लैक से वाइट हो गई, किसी की वाइट से ब्लैक हो गई. सो थाउजेंड्स ऑफ द पिक्चर्स आर कैप्चर्ड, एंड व्हेन यू डू दैट, सो यू रिक्वायर अ पीसी which is integrated with, when you are writing a programming, when you are writing a code, a PC which is integrated with very high visual display processing engine. So something which we integrated, and we have rolled out this product, and our samples are running in one of the government organization, because government was first wanted to test whether it works or it doesn't work. So this is something certified by the CBSE or government where we have spoken about. So kuch you require tools, so those are there, OpenVINO, Python, all those things are integrated here. Then something, that's how a typical classroom looks like. So ये टेक्नोलॉजी NEP 2020 बच्चों को AI कैसे देना है, so हम लोग one can rely, and we can comfortably say we are the first organization to roll out this product in India. Then this new product which will be there shortly is a beautiful white colored, lightweight, 20 hours battery backup based notebook. This is the new, maybe when I am talking about, somebody would have spoken about it, you would have read long battery life, but abhi wo reality nahi hai. This is a product in reality, and why this is a unique, this is the product when there is semiconductor shortages. At that point of time, doing all this, क्या कर रहे हैं? A notebook which is about 1.5 kgs. So if 1 kgs we have reduced from the notebook, 650 grams from your adapter. So another 2 kgs approximately has been reduced from bag. And with all security. So जब आपको 20 आवर्स बैकअप मिल रहा है, अडाप्टर कैरी करना नहीं है, तो एक नोटबुक कैरी करने का, बैग नहीं कैरी करना है. So you are carrying your school bag or your normal bag. And most important, we are working on universalization of charging points. अभी अगर somebody is on a Samsung, somebody is on Apple, somebody is on a laptop, अलग अलग charger carry करो. So we have worked out a Type C based charger. I think most of us today carry a Type C charger here. Most हम लोग मेक इन इंडिया है. Despite we are being a global organization, despite being a proud Taiwanese multinational, we are a make in India. Almost most of the products today are make in India, and we cater to every need in make in India, whether it's a tablet, some of the notebooks, and the PC stationery product. So agar aap, if you look at see, if you something at a patriotic side, buy Indian. And we are not giving you a technology which is older, we are giving a technology which is current. Server workstation, I don't know how many of us today talk about server workstation, but when you do high-end multimedia programming for your students, server workstation class plays a very important role. When you are doing learning management system implementation, this is a product category where we are there. And this is with this, I say thank you very much for listening to us. And we believe in Acer, there is nothing, we are yet covering, the best is yet to come. Thank you very much. We are there at the back in the exhibitor ground. Anything, any queries, whatever you have, we will be happy to answer. Thank you very much.
Hello. Nice, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to call upon Chandan Anand, sir, our CEO, to please honor sir and present him the token of appreciation. Thank you, sir, for guiding us for the regular advancement done by Acer in the field of technology.